Alright guys, welcome back to the Amped Up Rides YouTube channel. Here's another little installation video. I'm putting a middle fender. I still have to paint this side red. A middle fender under your battery tray, just like that. Now this is a generic one off Amazon for about $22. This is not Ridstar Gunna's Star Mods plate that is meant for the Ridstar Q20, but it comes with these two screws, and all you do is just screw it up from underneath and take these two bottom screws out of the back plate. It works fine, and I'm definitely happy that I did not pay $40 for Ridstar Gunna's. No hate whatsoever though, because he's a great YouTube and Ridstar creator, and I love his shop. I do recommend getting his full twist throttle that are meant just for this Ridstar. I know he has some Talaria mods as well, so I mean, heck, go check it out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint the other side, and then I'll get back into the installation. Guys, I also just made a video on putting an Apple AirTag in the Ridstar controller box, which is hidden right inside this. So if you want to know where your bike is at all times, or heck, in the worst case scenario of it being stolen, you'll always know where your bike is. And since I got the spray paint out while I'm painting that, I'm gonna touch up the side panel since we got a little bit of white showing where the screws go in. So we're just gonna lighten this up. Alright guys, now on to the installation. It's very easy. This is now dry, and you have these holes, long holes in the middle, and you're gonna use these two screws and go up from behind and through these holes like that, and then you're gonna come up, and both of the screws are gonna stick up maybe about 1/4 of an inch or a centimeter or two out of these two holes. So it's very easy. Make sure not to tighten this top one fully until you get this bottom one in, and so you can see kind of where the hole lines up, and it's a lot easier. Just like that, you have it all screwed in. There you can see each of the screws tipping through a little bit, but the battery will slide over because there's a little bit of space between the plate and the battery kind of has an end-to-end side. And here's a better look at it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you had help with this video. If you are getting a plate like this, I'll leave the link for this in the bio, and I'll also give the link for Star Mods, Ridstar Gunna's as well, just to show them a little bit of support. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you're not.